Hello, and welcome to Everything Travel and Health. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I wish to share with you a very important and easy way to immigrate to Canada as a nurse. If you are a nurse and interested in immigrating to Canada, and have probably tried several other pathways, but have not been successful, then I bring you good news today. I will be sharing with you how you can immigrate to Canada through the Targeted Express Entry program. Yes, it is possible to migrate to Canada as a nurse through the Targeted Express Entry program in 2023. Are you a nurse aspiring for a fresh start in Canada? Curious about the potential to immigrate to the Great White North via the much-awaited Targeted Express Entry program? This is the right place to start. As a nurse, your role in delivering healthcare services and promoting well-being is highly valued in various healthcare settings. The Canadian government acknowledges the significance of nurses and has included specific occupations in the targeted occupations list for this category. The Targeted Express Entry draws for nurses will help eligible candidates secure a Canada PR visa with a lower CRS score. Yes, you heard that right, a lower CRS. So, you do not need to worry so much about having a very high ielts score to qualify. With a low CRS score, you can get a PR and immigrate to Canada as a nurse. In this detailed guide, we offer valuable information and insights for nurses who are keen on exploring immigration opportunities in Canada through the Targeted Express Entry program. So, sit back and ensure you watch this video to the end to get all the necessary information. On that note, I welcome you to Everything Travel and Health. On this channel, I provide you with information on how to immigrate to Canada, Australia, the USA, the UK, and other countries to live, study, or work. If you are new here or have yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button. There is lots of information I will be sharing in the coming days that will be of great interest. You do not want to miss them. Make sure to hit the notification icon so as to be notified when they are uploaded. Stay with me, and let's explore this exciting immigration pathway for nurses. Firstly, what is Targeted Express Entry category-based selection? The purpose of the Express Entry system is to assist the Canadian government in efficiently handling applications for permanent residency. Its primary objective is to attract highly skilled workers who have the potential to make significant contributions to the country's economic advancement. If you are a nurse, you are presented with a remarkable opportunity to acquire permanent residency in Canada through the Express Entry program, which offers a range of advantages and benefits. In the category-based rounds of invitations, candidates are chosen based on specific criteria set by the minister with the aim of attaining economic objectives. These criteria include language proficiency in French and relevant work experience in specific training, education, experience, and responsibilities, TER, categories outlined in the National Occupational Classification, NOC version 2021. Work experience in designated TER categories is evaluated to determine an applicant's suitability for immigration through the category-based rounds of invitations, assessing candidates against specific criteria set by the minister to fulfill economic goals. Now, let's talk about the eligible occupations for the Targeted Express Entry draw for nurses. Candidates applying under the nursing category must have accumulated at least 6 months of continuous work experience within the past 3 years in a single occupation, which should include any of the following: registered nurses, nurse aides, orderlies, and patient service associates, nurse practitioners, Nursing coordinators and supervisors. Licensed practical nurses. Now that we know about the targeted express entry draw for nurses, let's now talk about how to apply for targeted express entry as a nurse. You can apply for targeted express entry as a nurse. Follow these steps. 1. Determine your eligibility. Firstly, you need to be eligible for the targeted nursing occupations and have at least 6 months of continuous work experience in a single occupation listed in the targeted occupations list for nurses. Additionally, you must meet all the eligibility requirements for one of the 3 federal immigration programs. 2. Language proficiency. You must demonstrate your proficiency in English or French via language tests, including the CELPIP or ielts general test for English and the TEF or TCF for French. You must score the minimum required band. For ielts, this is usually a minimum score of 6 in all 4 sections. This is quite a low score to easily attain. 3. Create an express entry profile. Make an express entry profile and provide detailed information about your work experience, education, language proficiency, and other relevant details. Based on the information provided, you will receive a CRS score. 4. Improve your CRS score. Improve your CRS by scoring maximum points through language proficiency, education, work experience, and adaptability factors. You can gain more points by obtaining a provincial nomination through the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP. To do so, you can visit the website of any specific province you are interested in and apply for their Provincial Nominee Program. If you are selected, you get an additional 600 points added to your express entry score. However, this is not mandatory for the targeted express entry program. 5. Targeted express entry draw. With high CRS scores in your targeted nursing occupation, you can receive an invitation to apply ITA during the targeted express entry draws. If you receive an ITA, you can continue submitting your application for permanent residency within the specified timeframe. 6. Submitting an application. Submit all the required documents for your complete application. Make sure to compile everything correctly and submit the targeted express entry application within the given timeframe. 7. Medical examinations and security checks. You need to submit medical examination reports to ensure you meet the health requirements for immigration. Additionally, police and background checks will be conducted to ensure a safe and secure immigration process. 8. Application processing. After submission, it will be processed within 4 to 6 months. Keep in mind that processing times may vary, but you can track the status of your application online. 9. Confirmation of permanent residence, COPR. IRCC makes the final decision on your express entry application, and you receive a confirmation of permanent residence, COPR. At this stage, you are ready to move to Canada. Remember that you can include your family in this program and immigrate with them. So, what are you waiting for? Get your documents ready, head to the Government of Canada website today, and start your application. Before the end of 2023 or early 2024, you can be on your way to Canada as a nurse. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to share it with your friends and loved ones. If you have yet to subscribe, kindly do so to enjoy more of my videos. Thanks, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.